This is the video while moving in the day with wind. So I'm recording with wind to see how much sound we get. And I walk up and down, and I have to say that the day video is really stable. Let's make a small sample here. Whoop. Enjoy the beautiful chain roads. And now this is the front camera. I'm talking like crazy, and they are watching me because here they are not used for a guy to talk to a camera walking. Anyway, that's not my problem. But this is the sun facing the other side, and that's the sun behind me, and that's the sun in the correct direction. I don't see anything, but you get the idea. And I'm gonna make you also a footage like this to see the front camera. Yeah, I think we are okay. And now that's a 4K video. The previous was 180. And that's the 4K on the movement. To see the footage. So talking for the middle range phones, I don't think it's something else that can beat this one. You have the Snapdragon, you have an AMOLED screen, you have 6500 mAh battery. It holds 2 days with normal use, so I highly recommend the phone. The front camera is very good. I bought the phone for my business to take photos of the coffees and the other stuff, so I'm more based on the video and photo capabilities of the phone. So yeah, if you like it, like and subscribe. It's a nice day to test the night vision, since today we have a moon. So if we go over here, that's the night video in the neighborhood. So here comes a plane too. We are zooming in. Okay. And here is the neighborhood in the night, with the night video. Seems pretty good, let's say. So, closing the video, this is my old phone, the Redmi Note 11 Pro. We have the AMOLED, we have the 5G network, we have the 200 megapixel cameras. I'm just making this clip to close the video. I hope I was very understandable, and in the mid-range class phones, this is the best you can use, also for video, also for gaming, as I show you on the footage and the photos. Like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.